Hi, I am Atique Hasan from Bangladesh Bibliography Posti Center. Today we learn how can we use student mark sheet. Uh, we find out their minimum marks and their total marks. Here we noticed or here we consider uh, the students their serial number, their name and their subject marks and their total marks and their uh, minimum mark or lowest marks. A column their students here their serial number. B column their name. C column their subject like Bangla. English. Physics. Biology. Computer science. Here we noticed serial number, name, their subjects Bangla, English, Physics, Biology, Computer Science. Here we noticed five subjects and their name is Bangla, English, Physics, Biology, Computer Science. We find out their total marks. And their minimum marks or mean or lowest marks. Serial number, we consider 10 students serial number 1 2 and we can apply a law. First cell added, second cell, and then we track our mouse pointer our target position or point. At least we take 10 serial and their name is Ratul, Rashid, Rohim, Nipa, Nipul, Noyon, Riyad, Noyon, Bikash, Ashad, and their Bangla subject mark input here 45, 43, 56, 53, 57, 70, 59, 60, 87, 45. And English subject mark input here 40, 76, 67, 83, 60, 76, 49, 76, 50, 40. Physics subject marks input here 50, 78, 87, 65, 48, 49, 38, 39, 80, and then 90. Biology marks input here 29, 40, 87, 70, 73, 39, 50, 56, 70, 57. And the computer science marks add or input here 49, 78, 76, 70, 67, 60, 90, 50, 33, 36. Here we noticed serial number 1 to 10 name, and there 5 subjects: Bangla, English, Physics, Biology, Computer Science, and their marks input here, and we find out their total marks. Every student total marks, and every student at least minimum marks. Here we all documents or all marks are center point. First we find out their total marks. We know when we find out any total marks or summation, then we include or add all subject marks. Here we use the formula sum. At first we use the formula for total marks. We use the formula sum. At first we insert equal sign and insert sum, and first bracket start, and their first subject marks column and last subject marks column. Here we noticed the first subject marks column C2 colon, their last subject computer science, and column number G and row number 2. So we insert G2, and then first bracket end. We noticed here Bangla, English, Physics, Biology, Computer Science are 5 subjects. Added their marks, start C2 and end G2. So we press enter key and get their total marks. Here we notice the Ratul serial number 1, Bangla 45, English 40, Physics 50, Biology 29, and Computer Science 49, and his total marks 201 3 or 213. And other students marks we cannot find, so we find out other students marks. Use same formula or track the mouse pointer when we can see positive sign or plus sign any point, then we track our position at least our target point, and track top to bottom. Here we noticed the other students marks, total marks 315, 373, 341, 305, 294, 286, 281, 320, and 268. Here we noticed the every students their total marks find out easily. Use total marks formula. Now we find out their minimum marks. We know minimum marks means at lowest marks. Here we noticed every students can get lowest or minimum marks. For find out minimum marks, we can use the formula At first we insert equal sign and then we write mean and start our first bracket, and then we can notice our first column marks and last column marks. So we noticed here Bangla is the first column marks inserted subjected. So we input Bangla chi 2 and then insert clone and then insert last column subjected column and rows G2 and then bracket int. We use the minimum law or formula equal sign mean first bracket start C2 colon G2 and then press enter button. Here we noticed the lowest or minimum marks 29, Bangla 45, English 40 and Physics 50, Biology 29, Computer Science 49. Here we noticed the minimum marks is 29. In this way we find out another subject minimum marks or lowest marks, but we use previous instruction. When we find out any student's minimum or lowest marks, then we track our mouse pointer top to bottom and get another subject minimum or lowest marks. So we use the instruction and get another subject lowest marks. Here we noticed that the minimum or lowest marks Asad get 36 computer science and Bikash 33 get computer science and 39 Noyon get physics and 38 get Riyadh physics and 39 get Noyon biology, and in this way we can find out the lowest or minimum marks. So we can find out easily total marks and minimum or lowest marks in Excel sheet. When we can find out many mark sheets or many students result sheet, then we can use this law and get easily their result. Okay, no more today. Everybody show my tutorial and comments about my tutorial. So I happy when you comments my tutorial. Okay, no more today.